create awesome YouTube videos that draw in audiences that are captivated by your content? No problem. I am Mandy Sommers, founder of EverPro Marketing. I am also an essential oil leader and educator, and not only have I grown a powerful residual income using essential oils, I have also created a YouTube channel that helps widen my influence globally. In this course, I will walk you through step by step how to research high converting, powerful YouTube video topics. So when you create your videos, they will perform well and will be found by your ideal clients. This process is most often skipped, and it's the reason videos struggle. If you are not yet researching your video topic with correct tools, I will take you through these quick and easy steps to teach you what tools will save you the most time and are most valuable to be using. I will even help you develop a system that will ensure your videos are shown to your ideal clients. If you haven't learned how to script videos, film, edit, batch, upload, optimize, and build your audience on YouTube, I have a full course that includes all of that, and it contains the components of this course. But if you are just looking for how to research video topics, this is the course for you, and I am excited to welcome you into my learning center. See you on the inside.